America didn't just build cars, it built legends. And at the heart of those legends, the V8 engine. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most powerful V8 engines in American history, the engines that changed drag racing, dominated the streets, and defined the word muscle. So buckle up, because number 1 is an absolute monster. The LS7 is one of the greatest modern American engines ever made. A hand-built 7-liter beast used in the Corvette C06. This engine was built for pure performance, titanium connecting rods, CNC-ported heads, dry-sump lubrication, and race-inspired internals. When it launched, it shocked the world. 505 horsepower from a naturally aspirated V8. No supercharger, no turbo, just raw American power. Even today, tuners love the LS7 because it can easily push 700 to 900 horsepower with simple mods. This engine proved that Chevy didn't need forced induction to dominate. Now we enter the supercharged territory, and Ford's 5.8-liter Trinity V8 is an absolute weapon. Found in the 2013-2014 Shelby GT500, this engine produced 660 horsepower, making it the most powerful production V8 in the world at that time. It pushed the GT500 to over 200 miles per hour, something no American muscle car had ever done from the factory. This engine was the moment Ford said, "We're done playing around." When Dodge introduced the Hellcat, everything changed. America had never seen this level of insanity in a street car. A 6.2-liter V8 with a massive supercharger screaming at 11 psi, producing 707 horsepower, later bumped to 717, and in the Red Eye version, 797 horsepower. This engine turned the Challenger and Charger into drag strip monsters. It made everyday drivers feel like they were piloting a rocket. Even today, the Hellcat engine is a symbol of the last great age of American muscle. Now we enter the 1,000 horsepower territory. Chevrolet shocked everyone with the ZZ632, a monstrous 10.35-liter naturally aspirated V8 producing 1,004 horsepower on pump gas. No supercharger, no turbo, just displacement, engineering, and pure muscle. This engine isn't found in production cars. It's a crate engine for competition builds. But it deserves this spot because it represents the pinnacle of American V8 engineering. Nothing naturally aspirated even comes close. And now, the king. The Demon 170 engine is the most powerful production V8 in American history. Up to 1025 horsepower and 945 pounds-ft of torque on the 85 fuel, this engine launches the Demon from 0 to 60 in 1.66 seconds, the fastest production car acceleration in the world. Dodge created a drag strip monster that came straight from the factory, with a warranty. This engine marks the final chapter of the gasoline muscle era, and what a crazy ending it is. So there we have it, the 5 most powerful V8 engines ever built in America. Which one is your favorite, and which engine do you think deserves its own full video? Let me know in the comments below. If you love American muscle, you're in the right place. Hit the like button, subscribe for more legendary classics, and I'll see you in the next video.